Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the issue where the two-finger scroll is not working on your Windows 11 touchpad. Now there's no one solution that will work for everyone, so you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the method that works for you. Now the first thing we're going to do is head over to our Start menu and just search for Settings, then head over to the Settings window. From the left hand side we need to come down to Accessibility, select Mouse Pointer and Touch, and then scroll down and we need to come inside of Touchpad. Now the first thing you need to do is just make sure the touchpad is actually turned on and enabled here. And then we're going to select this drop down arrow and once again make sure this option here is checked. Then if we come down to Scroll and Zoom, and once again just make sure drag two fingers to scroll is turned on here. And also pinch to zoom needs to be checked and turned on. Now if you have all of these options enabled and that's still not working, then what I'd recommend doing is coming up to this option here and selecting Reset Touchpad Settings and Gestures to Defaults. Now if this button's grayed out, then all you need to do is just uncheck this option here and go ahead and click Reset. Now once you've done that, we can close out of this window, and the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the Start menu, search for Control Panel and head over to the Control Panel window. Now at the top next to View By, make sure this is set to Large Icons and then come over to Mouse. Head over to Pointers at the top here, and next to Scheme we're going to select this drop down arrow and make sure this is set to Windows Default System Scheme. Then go ahead and press Apply and OK and close out of this window. And next you'll need to come to your Start menu and search for Device Manager. Head over to the Device Manager window and we need to select Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Just select this drop down arrow and you need to find your touchpad inside of here. Now if it's not inside Mice and Other Pointing Devices, it might be inside of Human Interface Devices. You can see mine at the top here, this Asus Precision Touchpad. And we're just going to right click on this, come into Update Driver, and then select Search Automatically for Drivers. Now just make sure you're running the latest driver and then we can close out of these windows. Now if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not fixed the issue, the last thing we can check is inside the Registry Editor. So to do this, come over to your Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Then click this, and from the left hand side we need to come over to H-Key Current User and expand this drop down. Come over to Software and expand this. Come down to Microsoft and expand this folder. All the way down to Windows inside of Current Version, and you should have a folder in here called Precision Touchpad. So we're just going to select this folder. There's no need to select the drop down. And within this list at the bottom here, you should have something called two-finger tap enabled. So go ahead and double click this and then just make sure the value data is set to FFFFF like it is on the screen here and hit OK. And then right at the bottom you should have something called zoom enabled. Also make sure this is set to the value data of FFF and we can close out of here. And if you've tried all of these steps and that's still not fixed the issue, then there could be an actual problem with the hardware itself. But if this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.